How you guys doing today? Yeah, just camping. So I figured I'd go take a hike and check out some wildflowers and some butterflies and maybe some birds and who knows, a moose if I'm lucky. So let's go check it out. It's a beautiful day today. Woke up and it's probably in the 70s. By now it's probably in the 80s, I'd say. Pretty cloudless sky, so that should be awesome for no rain. But definitely it's gonna be a hot day, so looking for some shade. Curious if you guys have any favorite snacks or foods that you take on the trail with you. Leave them in the comments down below there. I had a really big breakfast today. A lot of eggs, some sausage, a little slice of pepper jack cheese, and some leftover pico de gallo. Mixed it all together and had that before I hit the trail. So I just kind of brought some light snacks today. I brought a banana, a little crunchy bar, and a little piece of fried chicken from the deli at the grocery store. So I'll probably just munch on that today and have a nice dinner when I get back. It's about 12 o'clock right now. So I did the triple attack for my knees on this hike. I took some aspirin. I got my poles here. I got my knee pads or compression sleeves for my knees. And I've also been going slower up hills. Just trying to figure out ways to be able to hike longer with less pain. As we get older, we all start to encounter these fun problems. Camping trip's been pretty cool so far. I caught a brown trout. The stargazing is just really amazing this time around. It's the first time at this campsite I'm at that I could see the Milky Way, and it's been 2 nights in a row that I've seen it, so that's a really special thing for me. And if you ever have the chance to do it, I highly recommend it, because it really puts a unique perspective on life and the planet Earth here. And then across the river from my campsite is a hawk's nest with 2 hawks. I have my binoculars out trying to see if they have babies, but I can't tell for sure. It's been really nice, just kind of getting the stress of the city out of your system, and just relaxing and decompressing and having a good time outdoors. So it's all about. Check out this view of the mountain up here. Hey you guys, I just like totally walked up on I think it was an adolescent moose. It was like the size of a large horse, and it started advancing on me. I was like, oh crap. So I started kind of walking over towards a tree to put the tree in between me and him, and he turned around and darted off. He was gone through the trees in like 2 seconds, super fast, really crazy. That was really cool. I tried to get it on camera, but sorry, it was just too fast. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Appreciate that support. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers out there. You guys are amazing. Love it. I love that support. Thank you so much. Any questions or comments, drop them down in the comment section down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.